Achumba Wayel Thinthahanba hotnabada Hiram Amattana Thinthahanba Yade haina Manipur High Court ke Chief Justice M Sundarna Phongdorakli. National Legal Services Authority ki meeting makhada Manipur State Legal Services Authority Masal Sana Sinduna Manipur High Court pangthokiba Legal Aid Defence Council panel lawyers amade remand lawyers singe oiba state level capacity building ge thoram amada wafam asi mahakna phongdokibani. The art of drafting amade role and responsibilities of Legal Aid Defence Council, panel lawyers amade remand lawyers haiba Hiram. The technical session ani thokna pangthokkiba thoram aduda Justice M Sundarna hai. Ngasi pangthokliba thoram asina miyamda matau karamna matik chaba legal representation phanghangadage haibagi matangda kupna nainagani. Justice delayed is justice denied amade justice inadequately represented is justice substantially denied haibase aikoina kaidaunungda kauroidabani. Miyamda chumba Wayel Thinthahanba hotnabada maram Amattana Thinthahanba Yade. Legal aid haibase mipum khudingmakta manaba justice Thinthahanba leiba constitutional entitlement amani. Masi charity nate. Thoramasigi technical session da yauriba art of drafting hairiba hiramasi legal gi oiba wakhalun ama sagatnaba hotnabada changdaba yadraba machak amani. Masina lairiba wakhalun adugi asengba masak takpa ngamgadoribani. Anishuba session asina Legal Aid Defence Council panel lawyer amade remand lawyer singi oiba maruoiba thodang singda yumpham oiri. Karisu khangzadriba client amaga mari thamlakpa khudingmak justice delivery system asida thazaba leihangadabani. Masigidamak legal amade human sensitivity ani ase mayek sengna khangbage tangai fadaba lei. Thoramasi kuthangda phanghalliba mahai sing asina miyamgi thogal matol lomna tauduna mipum khudingmakta achumba Wayel Thinthahanbagi pandam thamli hainasu mahakna makhatana phongdokhi. Ngasigi thoramaduda High Court of Manipur ge Justice A Bimol, Justice A Guneshwar amade Advocate CH Momonsu saruk yakhi.
The law is reason free from passion, yet reason must always be accompanied by compassion. Justice without empathy risks becoming mechanical. Empathy without law risks becoming arbitrary. The enduring strength of our justice delivery system lives in maintaining this delicate constitutional balance. I extend my best wishes to all participants. I'm very sure that this program will become a catalyst for continuous learning.